pressure. The hip.
Yo, what's up? It's OT, man. Chilling with Dr. G. Best chiropractor in Dallas. I'm feeling good, man. Just got off the plane, and I'm ready to fly, man. Let's go. Yeet!
Okay, cool, man. So I'm just gonna kind of feel right here. Just kind of relax. A little pressure might be a pop.
Ooh. Whew. Shit. All right.
You good?
Damn. All right, I'm good.
I'll be right there. Whew, man. Whew. That one was big.
Shit.
go and lay face down right here.
Damn.
All right, man. So I got this roller. It's a 40-pound roller.
Okay.
You just tell me if it's too much. Should be all right. You got a show out here, or what do you got going on?
Yeah, I got a day party and a show tonight.
Where at?
One is at the, what's that? Something Republic, Texas Republic, and the other one's at what's that? I think it's a new club, Vivo.
Oh, Vivo, okay, yeah. I'm gonna put a little pressure here, okay?
All right.
Good. Go ahead and flip over on your back. This one over here. Just a little pressure. Bam. Yeah, okay, turn this way towards me. Just kind of relax that hip. Oh. Let's turn the other way. Yeah, right there, right there. Oh. Whew. Lay on your back, face up. Yeah. All right, brother.
Damn.
Up, man. Hey, man, show
Damn,
the camera.
thanks, bro.
Do you feel real good today or what?
Feel real good today. Fire. Let's go.